Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports.
This clean 2015 Harley-Davidson Freewheeler with only 6,177 miles runs and rides well and passes New Hampshire State inspection. It's been upgraded with slip-on mufflers and comes equipped with cruise control and reverse gear. Powered by Harley's time-tested 103 cubic inch-feet twin engine with a 6-speed transmission, the Freewheeler puts out a respectable 105 foot-pounds of torque. This would be an excellent option for a rider looking for the stability of 3 wheels, but maybe wants something a bit leaner than a Tri-Glide. It weighs in at 1,082 pounds and has a seat height of 26.9 inches.
This vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, and comes with a 90-day nationwide warranty. We have also purchased a CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.